Here's a vending machine I made in the morning, and now it's 9:14 p.m. 25 cents. It's a gumball machine too, and a ball machine. So let me load it. So here, nothing comes out. So you get a quarter, stick it in, then push the key in, and you got this ball. Then over here, you got this quarter out. Then, so watch right there. See, there's a gumball right there. And there's nothing down there, so watch. It fell out of this hole over here. See right there. Rolled out. Then this button just pushes it out. I just got bored, so I wanted to put that there. So that's my Lego vending machine. I'll show you how big it is from the back of my room. Right there, that's how big it is. So, thanks for watching, bye.